The Fitbit Ionic Smartwatch and fitness tracker is down to $249.95 on Amazon. This is its lowest price ever and its first time dropping below $270. There are several other Fitbit activity trackers on sale today, as well. Get the Ultra or the Charge 2 on sale in a variety of configurations, colors, and sizes. You can find all these prices directly from Fitbit as well. Read all about the Fitbit Ionic in this iMore review that said it beats the more expensive Apple Watch in a number of ways, including battery life. The Ionic has built-in GPS, heart rate tracking, and fitness tracking. It can track your runs, swims, rides, workouts, and sleep with a 4-day battery life. You can use all that tech to create personalized workouts with step-by-step coaching. It can also store and play more than 300 songs and download playlists from music streaming sites like Pandora. The built-in NFC chip means you can pay on the go as well.